Yelling, the one in the Blue Jackets. Right there and on aboard are the three hosts, John, Joe, and Steve, and it's the world's most famous preschool puppy, Blue, scurrying down the parade route.
And of course, Blue's Clues is...
That is spectacular, isn't it?
It gives you the sense of side, because they sort of fly him standing up, so he looks extra big. 16 feet long, 25 feet wide, 51 feet tall. He made his debut as a giant character balloon in 1960, and this is an incredible day. We're so excited. Much more.
Look at Smokey swaying back and forth as he hits those cross trees a little bit. That's why the handlers are so important. They keep him on the parade route, keep everybody safe.
Another version of the Pikachu balloon.
Yes.
I think there's been 3 so far, and we love it.
Is a fascinating little creature with a brown fur, a bushy tail that has cream-colored tip and a furry collar. That's Eevee riding with Pikachu right there.
Yeah, and by the way, each boy love that. All right, look who's coming.
Imagine this. Boss Baby's briefcase is so big it can hold.
And coloring and crayons and drawing in my journal. So, Boss Baby, I'll take care of that briefcase once you're done with it.
This guy is soaring at 32 feet long, 28 feet wide, 48 feet tall. It takes 90 handlers to
All right,
him.
next up, Mount Rushmore's American Pride. And you'll see on the front, right there is country superstar Chris Lane, who we love so much. He's had 3 big, huge #1 hits. He's a multi-platinum country artist.
I can
Honestly, can do whatever you want. He's got a brand new single, Fill Them.
Virginia, everybody, we have many Fraser members who are alumni. It is beautiful to see HBCU bands represented. For all the folks out there, Hampton University.
And even in Rome, Italy in 2020. So this is a world-class and sexy little movie.
180.
The whole time. It's amazing.
That's because it's HU. It's HU.
Oh, excellent. Deck the halls. This float embodies the true spirit of Christmas. Kevin, are you a before Thanksgiving decorator or after?
After Thanksgiving, but my wife won't wait. The Balsam Hill trees. That right there is Rexy in the city.
This is a very stylish parade, and this is Kim Petras, who has
Yes.
I love the fashionista moment of this Rexy in this city. She's a T-Rex named Rexy and happens to be the mascot of the famous fashion brand Coach. And I'm actually wearing Coach earrings right now. I picked them up. I didn't even know
You're
Rexy
so
was going
fancy.
to be there.
You're so fancy. Yeah. By the way, Kim Petras is a international pop sensation from Cologne, Germany.
It's fabulous. All right. Clear the decks for Goku, the world-famous hero of the legendary Japanese anime series Dragon Ball, one of my favorite balloons in the parade.
Goku measures 70 feet long, 36 feet wide, and 56 feet tall.
See that big smirk on his face flying down. He knows. I've got this. I've got this.
By the way, for those who are in the know, this is a highly unique character of Goku. He was originally sent to destroy Earth as a child, but after a brain injury, he then becomes peaceful, good-natured, loving, and honest. Of course, leading the way, and that is John right in the front of the Celebration gate.
Now is the Lego store at Rockefeller Center. I tried to go a couple days ago. I mean, the lines to get, you gotta know.
The whole new look this year. Now, today Ronald is sharing his heart with us. Let's face it, everyone can use some extra love. By the way, this is Ronald's 5th design since he first joined the parade in 1987. He appeared...
Yes, Renee Elise Goldsberry and Paula Pell. And that is a giant, beautiful, majestic peacock.
Yeah, making it glitter that it's made out of.
And this show is hilarious. It's about this sort of like past heyday girl group that had a one-hit wonder. And then they...
And so it is great to have them here. This time, the Brownsburg High School Band has been a consistent Indiana Class A state finalist, 205 members, and they are under the direction of Chris Catholic and Tracy Runyon.
Let's take a quick listen.
The Thanksgiving Day Parade on CBS. This program is sponsored by Progressive Insurance.
organization in the world. And for more information, visit aacr.org. And we'll be right back. Our
Enjoy the
You're right. You're my
Singing I Want a Hippopotamus for Christmas from his new album, A Very Daring Christmas. His Emmy and Golden Globe Award winner, Darren Criss.
Christmas morning, creeping down the stairs. Oh, what joy, what surprise, when I open up my eyes and see a hippo. I want a hippopotamus for Christmas.
Three-time Grammy winner Rob Thomas when we return live on NBC.
Because on the actual Mandalorian, you know, he's always chasing the little nog
Yep.
on the Mandalorian
Yes.
Little flight
Get
with
the selfie, get the
right as
selfie.
we go. Because this is an amazing shot right here.
Grogu, get him. Boom.
Oh, that's it. That's it.
Right
That
there.
is so cute. The world's most famous beagle enjoying the holidays and enjoying the many wonders of spaceflight. This is Snoopy's remarkable 40s.
Phones out, taking pictures of Snoopy as he goes by.
He's always a fan favorite.
Yeah, if you look right in front of him, you see Linus, Charlie Brown, and Lucy on the blue slope in front.
Well, that's a holiday tradition. You have to watch Telegram Christmas.
Stop and go and stop and go. Astronaut Snoopy, you enjoy.
Some premieres today.
Yes. As a matter of fact, while you look at that and hold up behind us right now, a new float called the Colossal Wave of Wonder.
Whoa.
How about that? This is a fun-filled adventure inspired by a family trip to Africa. And there is nothing like going to Africa. And if you go on safari or just going to one of the major cities in Africa, it is beautiful.
Man.
Always love seeing SpongeBob. And SpongeBob is really unique because it's one of the only square balloons. It's last with
Look at the police officers are getting involved. That was not even on cue. Look at young lady. You look so great and so happy. Where are you from? Where do you live, honey? Where do you live? And how about you? Where do you live? In New York City. We got people from all over. Oh, hey, follow me on this. Look back there. Give a wave. That's a boyfriend you keep. That one's a keeper right there. Guys, the energy.
30th
Paw
anniversary
Patrol!
this year.
I love it.
No, that's not Paw Patrol.
Video game. I used to play Sonic the Hedgehog nonstop with my
That's
brother.
the Sonic.
It was the first ever video game character
He
that got
didn't
turned into
play.
Sonic
balloons.
the Hedgehog.
Exactly. He's got those massive
50 feet tall. His signature red.
171.
That's a Sonic.
The very first version of Sonic was introduced back in the parade. We're so excited to see him. You saw him perform with Jennifer Nettles.
Yes. He is dancing his way down the route, decked out in his signature red hat and, of course, those boots. Look at Papa Smurf right behind. Is it getting old? It hasn't gotten old for you yet.
No,
Coming here
this
every
is
year.
the greatest thing in the world.